Hey, this is Jeff with Mills RV telling you a little bit about our service department. Right now is a great opportunity to get in before we get really busy with the season and before you want to go camping. If you wait till the weekend before you want to go camping and then go check out your RV and realize, oh no, my water heater was working fine in the fall and now it's not working, or my air conditioner's gone out, or my tongue jack's not working, or any of those other things that tend to happen on an RV, you won't really have time to get it done before your trip. So my recommendation, just like you do with servicing your car, servicing your air conditioner, your house, bring your unit in for us, let us do a service inspection on it and see if there's anything that needs to be fixed. We can go ahead and get it fixed now before it ruins your trip. Give us a call, send us an email, fill out the form, and we will be able to take care of your service needs. If you wonder what we do, you can look on our page on the website. It gives you pretty much a full list of at least the majority of the stuff we can do. But if you have a need on your RV, other than major engine or chassis work, you can pretty much count on we do it. We are O&N certified as well, so we have 2 O&N certified technicians. So we do your O&N certified work, and we work on generators, air conditioners, dash AC and roof AC, water heaters, furnaces, aqua hot systems on the big diesel pushers, slide outs, all the different brands of slide outs, fiberglass work, you name it, interior cabinetry, wood framing for trailers. All of those things are some of the things we do, but pretty much if you have a need for your RV, we're going to take care of it. Our job at Mills RV is to help you enjoy the journey.